Okay, today we're going to make buttermilk biscuits. And what you need is some flour. Just 2 cups of this flour. This is the second cup. Okay. Okay, we're going to have 2 teaspoons of baking powder. You want to kind of level it off like that, about like that. Put 1 more teaspoon. See how I got that? Like that. I think you want some baking soda, about like that. 1/4. 1/4 of a teaspoon. Now you want 1 teaspoon of salt. Just 1. So you first ingredient is 2. Next you want to add in butter, and it's better to add cold. And you want to add 2 or 7 teaspoons, or not teaspoon, to 7. Okay, now you add in your buttermilk. And then you just want to kind of whisk it all together. You want to kind of like a pastry dough. Okay, now you want to make sure your surface is very, very floury, because it's more like a contour dough, but more you beat together. Get it rolled out into a square, like you want to kind of fold each side in like a letter or something. Let them lap over each other. Kind of hard to do, but you gotta get it lapped over like that. Don't worry about what sticks to the ground, because it'll help. The flour will help you fix that. You want to fold it back over. And you want to use a rolling pin and roll it back out. Once you get it all, folded up a few times and rolled the dice, or rolled it with a rolling pin, you want to take these squares. If you don't have these, use like a lid or something, but these biscuit cutters are just at Walmart or any kind of dollar store, real cheap like. And this makes about 1 pan of biscuits, about 6 biscuits. Thank you. Step is to kind of brush them down a little bit before I put them in the oven. I even did a little bitty one, but anyways, these are gonna be good. Now it's just a little pebble. Even these little bitty smaller ones. That's when I ran out of dough. I kind of. Okay, there's the biscuits are done now. Take a look at that. Flaky, good flaky biscuits. Oh yeah, very flaky. Yeah. Anyways, that's how you make buttermilk biscuits. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Look at that good biscuit.